Are you interested in conducting Amazon private label product research with a target profit margin of 35% to 50%? Well, you're in luck. In this article, we will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to identify potential products that meet your profit goals. To begin, it's important to select product categories that align with your business goals and personal interests. This will help you stay motivated throughout the research process. Popular categories to consider include home, kitchen, beauty, and pet supplies. Next, you'll need to utilize powerful product research tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10. These tools offer advanced filtering options to help you narrow down your search. Here are some key metrics to pay attention to. Selling price. Look for products priced between $20 and $50. This price range strikes a balance between affordability for customers and profitability for sellers. Reviews. Target products with fewer than 500 reviews. Products with fewer reviews generally indicate lower competition. Bestseller rank BSR. Products with a BSR between 1,000 and 10,000 in their main category are ideal. This range suggests good sales volume without being overly competitive. Product age. Keep an eye out for newer products that are less than 2 years old. These products may indicate emerging trends or untapped opportunities. Cost price, it's important to estimate the cost of goods sold. COGS, using tools available. Aim for a cost price that allows for a profit margin of 35% to 50% after accounting for Amazon fees and other expenses. Demand, check for consistent monthly sales volume. Ideally, the product should sell at least 300 units per month to ensure a steady stream of income. Competition, analyze the top competitors' listings. Look for areas where you can differentiate your product, such as offering better features, enhanced packaging, or superior customer service. Once you have identified potential products based on these metrics, it's time to analyze each product in more detail. Start by ensuring that the product's selling price aligns with your target profit margin. Read customer reviews to identify common pain points and areas for improvement. Also, verify that the product has a steady sales history and is not just a seasonal item. Assess the level of competition by looking for products with a lower number of highly rated competitors.
To validate the cost of the product,
reach out to suppliers on platforms like Alibaba to get quotes. Make sure that the quoted prices allow for your desired profit margin. In some cases, you may need to negotiate with suppliers for better pricing, especially if you plan to order in bulk. By following this step-by-step guide and utilizing tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10, you'll be well on your way to conducting successful Amazon private label product research. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on
the Rabia Ashfaq channel.
For more helpful content. Happy researching!